Hey everyone, this is Viking from JWCCrafts.com. Video of day, I'm going to talk about a shield, a Viking shield and Viking axe. That's the set we have finished recently. And also check out the engraving, beautiful engraving work being done on the handle, especially. Look at that bad boy. As you can see, everything has been done by hand, and it's not that heavy as well. It's not that heavy, and I try my best to make sure it actually match the customer's expectations. And look at this beautiful work I done it, especially the etching on it, and it's pretty lightweight. That's something I just wanna let everyone know that it's not that heavy. Especially both of these are not that heavy. So I know it looks like it's heavy, but it is not heavy. It is not heavy. So if anybody is interested to get that one, just because this one is sold, so maybe you want a new one, just DM me for a custom order, and I'm looking forward to make a new one. And thank you so much. See you in the next one. Bye.